Sofwave as part of a program to help particularly women as we enter in our 40s, so 40s, 50s. We're talking about perimenopause and menopause. These are hormone changes. One of the effects of this critical hormone change is that we can lose up to 30% of the skin collagen within the first 5 years after menopause. So what we see is that all of the prevention that we can do to grab onto and preserve as much collagen as possible leading into that hormone transition is super important. So procedures like the Sofwave help to keep collagen, keep replenishing collagen and preserving the collagen that we have, so that as we enter these changes, we're not really noticing the skin changes as much. And for the postmenopausal patient, it's effective. It can certainly promote and produce new collagen. And so even for a woman who's noticing that the skin gets thinner, crepier, more wrinkles and more sagging and laxity, we can improve those conditions by doing the Sofwave treatment.